Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a tax rebate. First, it's important to understand what a tax rebate is and if you meet the eligibility criteria. Next, you'll need to gather all your financial documents, such as W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any relevant receipts. Finally, identify the specific rebate programs that apply to your unique financial circumstances. This initial preparation is key to a smooth application process. Once you've prepared, the next step is to navigate the application itself. You'll want to access the official government website or your country's tax authority portal to find the correct forms. Take your time to carefully complete every required section, ensuring all information is accurate. Before submitting, double-check everything and attach all necessary supporting documents. This meticulous approach helps prevent delays.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Quick recommendation. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to manage your home and enjoy music. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
It's helpful to know some common types of tax rebates you might encounter. Many rebates focus on encouraging energy-efficient home improvements, like new windows or the purchase of electric vehicles. Other programs support education expenses or help families with childcare costs. There are also specific rebates for first-time homebuyers or those in particular industries. Researching these can reveal opportunities you might not expect. After completing your application, it's time for submission. You can typically submit your forms through the designated online portal or by mailing them to the tax authority. Always remember to keep copies of all submitted forms and supporting documents for your personal records. Finally, monitor the status of your application and be prepared to respond promptly to any requests for additional information. Patience is often required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.